Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Voice Amplifier on your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. So you need to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app, and your speaker should be connected with the application. Tap at your speaker, and right here we have Voice Amplifier. Enter here. So here's two modes: original, and it will amplify your voice in real life. It will use, this application will record your voice, and as I see, I will hold this button and you will hear my voice. To increase the volume for the voice, you need to increase the volume for your speaker. Okay, let's check it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have it. But also right here we have the loop. If you select this, it will record your voice. So let me hold it. 1, 2, 3. And now I can click play and it will 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.